Okay, so there's 3 spots. Let's just say that we're in the listings to improve and we see something here that's, let me find one that's got 40 days plus. Here's one. 105 days never sold. So let's look at this. So we're going to want to take note of the SKU or the eBay item number. Copy that. No. This here. Copy that. We go to Hydra. Put that. We go over here to item list. It's on the side here. Let me see if I can pull this out a little bit. I can't pull the screen out more. It's item list here. You click on that, and that brings this screen up here. Item list. And then in the search bar, put the eBay ID, and wait a minute. That's not it. There it is. Click on that and delete. And then probably the most important spot of all is SKU grid. Do the same thing, put the eBay ID in there, and then you're going to want to come over here to here, delete. Click that. And then finally on the eBay itself, you can go to my eBay. I mean, there might be a faster way to do it. Over here to active listings. Come on. And then just put in here, search by eBay ID, item ID, put that in here, click search, and then you're going to click end item down here. It's down here, end item, and that's it.